We're looking at the guest house here. It's going to be a nice day today. It's going to, for the high, it's going to be 78 degrees, which is actually a little bit on the cool side here. So I'm going to work on a project that's kind of outside today instead of working on inside things. Eventually there's going to be a deck that comes out here, somewhere around through here coming out. And so what I'm wanting to do is to put an outdoor outlet somewhere right around through here. So that way if somebody's sitting out on the deck, or if they're outside and they need to plug something in, they'll be able to just plug it directly in and be able to use whatever tool or whatever, radio or whatever they need. So that's going to be the project for today. So we're back inside. There's the door. I'm wanting to put the outlet somewhere right around through here. So I will eventually put the outlet up there, and we'll draw around it so that way I know where I need to drill a hole. I've already ran some cable, some wire right here that I'll use to connect to it. And then I've ran it over to the breaker box. So it's one of those cables right there. Yes, that's a mess. I've ran a lot of cables and I need to organize that, but right now I'm just doing what I need to do at the time. And that'll be a project for a rainy day, or for a day that I don't feel like really messing around with anything else, so on. And yes, I am living here. This is the bed. So let's get started on this. And just to let everybody know, I'm not a construction person. I am not, I don't have a lot of experience with working with a lot of this stuff. So, this is not a how-to video. This may be a how not to do certain things video, which I hope that's not the case. So just keep that in mind. This is more for entertainment or for documentation purposes for myself. And so please just keep that in mind. Of course, I can already see I've got some issues here. If I put this up here like this, the nails are pointed the wrong way. It'd be really cool if they were pointed, if there was something to where it was pointed back the other way and I could nail it in that way. That's going to be a real challenge as I move this closer. I mean, it's doable. Hit it with a hammer, but it's just going to be a real challenge. And so that's something I'll have to keep in mind. And I'm thinking, right around through there. You don't want it too high though. Maybe right around through there would be good. So I'm just going to mark this. Oops. Yeah. So now I can just drill some holes right here, 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 and here, and that'll let me know about where my box is going to be. And I did, oh, that's awesome. It looks like it's all on one sheet. One of these, whatever you call them, I guess I call them sheets. So that'll be really cool. We'll be able to cut this out. They'll put it in there. So that's good. I'll probably have to remove or pull this one up a little bit to expose the nails. And and have to pull out some of the nails to get this back. But that's good. I was afraid that it'd be between two of them, which isn't the end of the world. This just looks like a better situation. Oh wow, that does make things a lot easier. $5 and something at Lowe's. Well worth the $5. So both of those kind of popped out. So now I can try to put this over this, see about where it's going to go. Fortunately, if I was a quarter of an inch, or yeah, a quarter of an inch, a little bit higher, I wouldn't have to dip into this, but I'm going to have to cut out a little bit of this so it slides down properly. Let's get this on there. All right, so there we go. There's some dirt there that I'll need to clean off, but they don't look too bad, I don't think.